A Tesla battery has successfully stopped a robbery of game consoles. So I know what you're thinking, a Tesla Model X seems like a pretty good getaway vehicle. Plenty of space, 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. I mean, it seems like a pretty good idea. Just like following this channel. Unless you forget to charge it, just like the thieves in this story, and it must have been pretty funny being stuck waiting at a charging station while the police are rolling around looking for you. Also, it's quite weird to be able to use a Model X as a getaway vehicle in this context, because I mean, what, did you just like spend all of your money on a Tesla and then decided to steal a few consoles? But hey, at least now you can game on a Tesla while waiting for the police to catch you at a charging station. So, man, how are you gonna forget to charge your Tesla before you commit a robbery? I mean, that's just a total amateur move. I mean, like, what, did they not put like 5 minutes of planning into this thing? Like, I've probably put more planning into my imaginary robberies in Grand Theft Auto than these people have put into their real life robbery of like consoles in a Model X. So here we can see the overloaded Model X with like tons of like electric toothbrushes. I mean, these things are pretty expensive. I don't know, that I don't really know what that is. Might be a graphics card. Apparently there was tons of consoles in this thing. There's also some handguns that were found because of course it's America. And then of course some weed because it's America. And I must say it feels pretty amusing just imagining the anxiety you must have gotten if you would actually commit a robbery and you suddenly found out, oh no, low battery, we need to go to a charging station and just sit there. I mean, the anxiety that they must have felt, I mean, I wish I could just taste it a little bit more, you know? But yeah, I mean, also this doesn't make any sense at all. Like, the article doesn't say anything about the car being stolen, so one of them must have owned the car, which is weird. Like, Model X that's an expensive vehicle. Like, what, at the moment, it's like 70K, something like that. Either way, so you're gonna own like a 70K vehicle and you're gonna like try to steal a few $1,000s worth of consoles and stuff that you then also have to resell. So it just doesn't make sense, you know? It's just sort of like it shows you like bad financial decisions, you know? Somebody was just like, oh, let me just buy a Model X, and then they were like, oh, well, actually now I'm out of money, which is not great. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, remember, if you are going to be committing illegal activities, make sure your electric car is charged if you do have an electric car. Like, it's pretty important.